Hey guys, welcome back to Just Aviation. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Citylink Airbus A320neo made by JC Wings. I got this model for around $40 off my hobby house, and it was alongside my Grid Indonesia Airbus A330neo. So it was 3 months late. That was because of the global crisis. Other than that, it's here. So yeah, let's unbox it. I'm going to first give you a detailed review of the box. A major issue with the box is that the digitalized image doesn't show the actual aircraft I ordered. It's in the 50th delivery, while mine's in the standard delivery. So JC Wings put the wrong digitalized image on the box, but it's not too much of a big deal. So at the top we've got the Airbus A320neo titles, we've got the Citlink titles, and we've got Grid Indonesia written down. For anyone who's a little bit new to aviation, Citlink is a low-cost carrier under Grid Indonesia. And yeah, and at the very bottom we've got 1:400 scale die-cast aircraft model, and in the background we've got the corporate colors of Cityink. Towards the back is a feature I really like about JC Wings, and that it's got specs of the aircraft. It's a bit similar to Gemini jets, and it's really good that they have it at the back, so it makes it look a little bit different. I wish Phoenix models had something like this, but that's alright. And other than the specifications, they've got the JC Wings logo at the bottom left corner. On the side of the box, we've got Cityink written over here, as well as Grid Indonesia. We've got the digitalized image of the aircraft with the proper livery and the registration PKGDA and a barcode. And then we've got JC Wings over here, and pretty much it repeats itself. So now that I've shown you guys the box, I'll just quickly unbox the aircraft. So I've unboxed it. It was fairly easy. And yeah, it's much easier than Phoenix and Gemini jets. Something I really like about JC Wings is their box design and box covers and the plastic covers. It's just really simple, and it protects the aircraft really easily. Like, they've always got this square base and they've got a square cover, so it's really easy. And yeah, I really prefer the way they package their aircraft. So over here we've got a really large plastic cover. It's massive, so I really like that. And then here we've got the aircraft. Pull it out, we just need to pull it with the tail, and it's really easy. Yeah, because the aircraft's a little small, I'll give you a bit of a close-up of the aircraft so I can review it. So now that we've got a close-up of the aircraft, I'll give you a really good detailed view. I'm sorry that I haven't done this on my previous aircraft. I've just really thought about it now. So yeah, on my next reviews, I'll give you a way more closer view of the aircraft. Over here, we've got the cockpit window. We've got the nose. The nose is nice. It's definitely not the best, but it's fairly good. We've got the cockpit windows, we've got the Indonesian flag, we've got some pitot tubes, some static ports. We've got the L1 door. It's got some really small details that I can't even notice myself. We've got an antenna at the front, which is really nice. I had this on my A321neo, but it fell off, so yeah, bad luck for me. We've got the landing gear, and at the bottom it says TA, which is the last two letters of the registration. We then have the aircraft titles, which is Cityink. Got Grid Indonesia's logo underneath in grey. And yeah, we've got some more windows. We've got two emergency exits. We've got the wing, and we've got one of the two CFM LEAP engines. And on the engine itself it says citylink.co.id. And then across the engine we've got the winglet, which looks really nice, and yeah, we've got the one little red light. Back to the fuselage, we've got some more windows, a second antenna, and another emergency exit. And then we got the registration PKGDA, which is Papa Kilo Golf Tango Alpha. And then we got the start of the livery. If you don't know, Citylink livery is based off Garuda Indonesia's livery. It's just got a green colour scheme. Unfortunately, there's some little bit of issue with the paintwork. The aircraft have got some marks and scratches, but that's really minor. I can't even notice it, to be honest. And we got our L2 door over here, so the exit door. We then have our tail and then our vertical stabilizer. So moving to the back of the aircraft, at times it can be a little bit tail heavy. So here's the tail of the aircraft. It's fairly good from the back end of the aircraft. Nothing much to show, just other than the vertical stabilizers. And on this side of the aircraft, it's practically the same, just that we have some cargo doors, and that the paint job on this side of the aircraft is good. So I wouldn't say the paint job on all A320neos are bad, it's just mine was a little bit damaged, which I'm not too fussed about. And then moving to the front of the aircraft, you've got the engines. I've got to admit, the engine's details are amazing. You can even see a hint of green in the engines, which is really nice detail. I'm really happy about it, so yeah. Now to the bottom of the aircraft, we've got pretty much nothing, just some antennas and some few details of the engine and bottom fuselage. And a little minor issues that it's a little bit tail heavy, but it's very manageable, unlike the Gemini Jet's A380s. But other than that, I really like this model. I give it an 8 out of 10. Alongside this model, I ordered 2 towing trucks, which I got with the model, so yeah, it's really nice. And yeah, other than that, I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.